my mate gone then?
No one said there was rules. How many times you got to come for a guest pass?
No.
Oh my god! Oh my god, okay.
I wouldn't let them have too much, you're gonna run out of seed. I have to buy some more. I don't think they've been fed this morning.
I don't think they have. Should we buy some more? We haven't got to the bottom yet. We haven't got all round. Okay, it's hilarious though.
What do you think?
Good man. Max, I'm on your pram.
Look at this. Look at this.
I'll buy
Max.
some more seed.
Yeah, I would.
It's alright. It's funny. They're never like this.
Max!
Okay, don't bite me.
Max, look at this! On top of each other. Look at him, he's pushing his head out the way.
They're fighting on me. I don't like this. They're going to hurt me. They're fighting. They're fighting.
Neither of them are getting it now.
You put this on like if you've been framed.
What do you think?
I can't have this. They're fighting.
He's on the one with the food.
You have her.
Baldy.
Okay.
Hang on, I don't like you. You haven't got any food.
You go on there. You go on there. No, you go on there. You go on there. You go on there. Right. I'm going to have to get some more food. This is amazing now. I'm fed today. Oh my god.
You enjoying this? Oh, you got my fingers. I haven't got anything there. It's pecking me. What do you think, Max? Max's face, just looking at them all. Whoa, what are you doing now? Sat on my chest. Hello?
Oh my god, that's so...
What do you think, Max?
It's like these two have more food. Right. I need to get some more food, I think. This isn't going to last us. Go on then, fly off. Fly off. Fly off. Right, you take the food a minute. I'll have to buy some more.
You enjoyed it, Max? What do you think? Look at this. Oh. What do you think of that? Don't let the bird too close to him, do we? That's how clean they are.
Got the other one as well.
Oh yeah, great.
Let's go. Let's go get some more food.
Max? Max, what do you think is going on? Look at them all. Look at these two. Is that funny? Is that funny? Look at that one, look at this one! Running up here. Look at it.
I'll give you the food then.
Yeah.
Okay, I've just got to leave it.
Hit that one, look at it. This thing's got shoes on. Oh. Yeah.
Right, okay then.
Go on,
We'll
then.
have to start moving now.
Come on. Off. Come on. No. Ow. No. Come on. There you go. On the side now. So some of the other ones have some. He's coming. Oh no, he's going for me again. Oh. This is awesome. What's he doing? He's got off the camera. He sat on top of the camera. Look at this, I'm stuck. Come on.
Behind you.
Look at this one. This one here, look, Jode.
Yeah.
He walks like a duck. Look at him. Ah. I can't help it, look. Slow down then. Can't even catch you up.
Behind you.
Like a little welcoming committee.
Sure what's the rest of the situation, isn't it? It's like they're showing us where to go.
Hold this, Joe. So you can do some filming as well.
Okay.
It's still filming. So I don't hold it
Take
like
boy
that.
then.
I got it. Look at this. Ah! Got my finger. What do you think of it, Matt? He's really not sure, is he?
I normally get him out of the pram, but in the next bit
Ow.
he likes the swans.
Mm.
But I think this bit is a bit hard. You know, once we get through here, he quite likes being held.
Ow. You sit down. That's 56.
Still got your bird friends.
Come on. I adopted the second one again. Hello.
They followed us. Look at all this round us. You want birds?
They wouldn't let me throw it because I got one on each hand.
You got to come here like at 10:30 in the morning to like. They haven't been fed all day.
awesome.
The deers have come right at you now.
Mm.
The deers they come straight to you.
How many 20p did you get?
What?
How many 20p?
2. Yeah, but why you spend so much money, Andrew? It won't feed the goats.
Ow.
I don't want to see the reindeers. I'll see the other animals. It's hard to get up in there.
Yeah.
And back.
People started coming now.
Oh, we better get back to the reindeers then.
What are you doing?
Got some friends. Okay, stop recording.
No, keep filming. I think it's funny. I'm just filming a lot to see what we get. Filming everything, it doesn't matter, does it? Come on.
Come on then.
Come on. Oh, we lost one. We lost one. We're down to 1.
What's his name or her name? Is it a boy or a girl that you got? You think that bird would
Probably
get down
female.
from you.
Yeah.
What should we call her?
Max always attracts the birds.
Okay.
Go on there. There you go.
Oh my god.
Max, look! Look, Max! You got a friend! Max! You got a friend! He's not even looking at it, is he? Oh, great. Let's come back to me. It's like a parrot. Arr. Couldn't afford a parrot, so I got a dove.
Right.